Welcome to VSkills YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn about the top interview questions for Excel. So, let's get started. Question number 1. What are the functions in Excel? The answer is, there are many functions available in Excel. Some of them are text function, sum function, VLOOKUP function, average function, concatenate function. Question number 2. Tell the shortcut key for the data filter. The answer is, the shortcut key for placing the filter in the data is Ctrl plus Shift plus L. Question number 3. What is the process of applying a single format to all the sheets available in a workbook? The answer is, for applying the same format to all the sheets of a workbook, follow the given process. Firstly, right-click on any sheet present in that workbook. Secondly, click on the Select All Sheets option. Thirdly, format any of the sheets. And then the format will be applied to all the other sheets. Question number 4. Define relative cell addresses. The answer is, whenever you copy formulas in Excel, the addresses of the reference cells get changed automatically in order for matching the position where the formula is copied. This is processed by a system known as relative cell addresses. Question number 5. Describe the steps for protecting cells of a sheet from being copied. The answer is, following are the steps for protecting cells of a sheet from being copied. Firstly, select the cells that you want to protect. Secondly, from the Home tab, open the font window. Thirdly, select Protection from the Protection pane. Then, check the hidden box. After that, click on the Review tab present in the ribbon. Then, select Protect Sheet option. Lastly, specify a password. Question number 6. How to create drop-down lists in Excel. The answer is, for creating drop-down lists, firstly, click on the Data tab present in the ribbon. Secondly, from the Data Tools group, right-click on Data Validation. Thirdly, go to the setting, Allow, List. Lastly, select the source list array. Question number 7. Explain some of the features of Excel pivot tables. The answer is, some of the features of Excel pivot tables are: the pivot table provides the display of the exact data you have to analyze. It helps in providing various angles to view the data. By using this we can focus on important details. It helps in identifying different patterns, relationships, data trends, etc. Also helps in creating instant data with accurate reports. Question number 8. What are the things to remember while creating pivot tables? The answer is, before creating a pivot table, prepare the data in a tabular format. Then, arrange the data into rows and columns. Thirdly, the first row should contain a unique heading for each of the columns. Next, the columns must have only one type of data. And, rows must have data for a single recording only. There should be no blank rows. Lastly, the columns should not be completely blank and the data for creating pivot tables should be separate from other data present in the sheet. Question number 9. What if we check the Defer Layout Update option present in the Pivot Table Fields window? The answer is, after checking on this option, we will not be able to see any dynamic changes while interchanging the table fields. By default, this option is unchecked. However, all the changes will occur only after you click on the Update button when you check this box. Question number 10. Describe the process of filtering data using pivot tables. The answer is, Excel Pivot Tables enables you to filter data as per your requirements. The process of it is as follows. Place the field depending on which you wish to filter out the data. After that, from the pivot table, open the drop-down list present for the field you have placed in the filter area. Lastly, select the section of your choice. Question number 11. What is the formula for calculating compound interest in Excel? The answer is, for calculating compound interest in Excel, you can use the FV function. FV returns the future value of an investment based on the periodic, constant interest rate and payments. Question number 12. Define what-if analysis. The answer is, what-if analysis can be considered as a technique for performing changes to one or more formulas present in the cells in order for seeing how it affects the result of those formulas in the worksheet. There are 3 types of what-if analysis tools in Excel: scenarios, data tables, goal seek. Question number 13. How to create hyperlinks. The answer is, for navigating between worksheets and files or websites we use hyperlinks. For creating a hyperlink, use the shortcut, Ctrl plus K. Then, the box for Insert Hyperlink appears. After that, Enter the address and the text that should be shown. Question number 14. What are the benefits of the spreadsheet formula? The answer is: the formula makes it easy for measuring the numbers in an Excel sheet. This automatically calculates the number that has been replaced by another number or digit. Moreover, it is used for promoting complex calculations. Question number 15. Define an function in Excel? The answer is: an function is a type of logical function that returns the output as true or false. However, the in function will examine at least one mathematical expression located in another cell in the spreadsheet. So, if you want to see the output of more than one cell in a single cell, then use in function. Question number 16. How to stop automatic sorting in pivot table? The answer is: this can be done by navigating to the More Sort options. Then, right-click on Pivot Tables. After that, select Sort menu and begin with More options. Now, we have to uncheck the sort automatically every time the report is updated. Question number 17. What type of file formats are used for saving a Microsoft Excel file? The answer is: some of the file formats for saving Microsoft Excel files are CSV, XLSM, XLS, XLA, XLB. Question number 18. What is the purpose of Microsoft Excel? The answer is: Microsoft Excel refers to an electronic spreadsheet application that allows users for storing, organizing, calculating, and manipulating data with formulas using a spreadsheet system divided into rows and columns. This provides the flexibility for using an external database to do analysis and make reports, by saving time. Question number 19. Why do we use the VLOOKUP function? The answer is: VLOOKUP helps in finding the data in a large spreadsheet using the lookup value in another spreadsheet. This is an important function that provides valuable insights and relationships between the dataset. Question number 20. What are the advantages of using a spreadsheet? The answer is: advantages of using a spreadsheet are: calculations can be done automatically. Changing data automatically updates calculations. More flexibility. Question number 21. How many types of data formats are available in Excel for storing data? The answer is: there are 11 data formats available in Microsoft Excel. A few of them are: number, values are stored as a number. Currency, values are stored in the form of currency. Date, date is stored in date format. Percentage, numbers are stored in the form of percentages. Text format stores data as strings of text. Question number 22. What is the use of the freeze pane in Microsoft Excel? The answer is: the freeze pane enables the locking of the column or row headers. This allows you to keep the row and column heading locked while scrolling up and down to the other parts of the worksheet. Moreover, these frames do not scroll and the other areas will not have any effect. But, you cannot freeze columns and rows if your worksheet is protected. For freezing a pane, select the column header or row header and click on the View tab. After that, select the Freeze Panes option and choose an option according to your requirement. Question number 23. Define conditional formatting in MS Excel. The answer is: conditional formatting helps in applying a format to a single cell or range of cells depending on the specific criteria. This can create trends and patterns in your data to look more visible. Question number 24. Is it possible to link a cell to different files and websites on the internet? The answer is: yes, we can link a cell to different files and websites on the internet using the hyperlink feature of Excel. Question number 25. What are macro in MS Excel? The answer is: macros are used for repeating over a group of tasks. Users can create macros for their customized repetitive functions and instructions. Further, they can be either written or recorded depending on the user. Question number 26. Name the macro languages in MS Excel. The answer is: the macro languages in Excel are XLM and VBA, Visual Basic Applications. In earlier versions of Excel, only XLM was used. Question number 27. How to stop someone from copying the cell from your worksheet? The answer is: for protecting your worksheet from getting copied, go into the menu bar. Then click Review. After that, select Protect Sheet and then click on Password. You can enter a password for securing your sheet from getting copied by others. Question number 28. Is it possible to code using the VBA language? The answer is: yes, we can code using the VBA language. For example, Almost every company requires a new report and the steps for creating a report remain the same. Using a macro, we can manipulate the data, generate a report, and display the insights in the chart form. Question number 29. What is the default file folder in Excel? The answer is, My Documents is the default file folder in Excel. Question number 30. What do you understand about ribbon? The answer is, ribbon refers to the topmost area of the application that consists of menu items and toolbars in MS Excel. This can be shown or hidden using the shortcut, Ctrl plus F1. Further, the ribbon runs on the top of the application and is the replacement for the toolbars and menus. And, they contain various tabs on the top, and each tab has its own group of commands. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.